Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Sanford Khan, sometimes called the Rogue Meister. This is Rogue lesson number 6, and it's entitled, Should You Be Judgmental in Your Life? These lessons are based on my book. Actually, the book has been republished on both on Amazon in both printed, paperback, and an ebook. This is the cover now. It's a new cover. Let me get it straight, okay? There it is. Well, this is not a Hollywood production. There it is, A Rogue Meister's Guide to Free Thinking. If you want to prosper and succeed in life, you have to break from the herd, the mass herd. This book will help you. Like I said, it's available both in Kindle and in paperback, and the price is extremely reasonable. Let's get on with the lesson. Should you be judgmental in your life? Hell yes, you must be judgmental. How do you think we as a human species survived throughout the ages? It wasn't due to our physical strength. As a species, compared to other animals on this planet, we're kind of weak. We're not that strong. I don't care how much you work out at a gym or whatever, compared to a lot of animals on the planet, we're weak and puny. That's just it. But we have a brain. That's the thing that helped us to survive. We could take input from the environment, make judgmental calls, and react to that, and survive, and move on. Look at the only people who aren't judgmental also are not breathing. Let me get comfortable here. They're just not breathing. If you're breathing, you're judgmental. I know it's cool in a lot of circles to say I'm a non-judgmental person. Well, you're dumb. You must be judgmental. You have to be judgmental. Look, there's people out there that want to take advantage of you. Maybe we even want to hurt you. They could take advantage of you physically, emotionally, financially, whatever. So you have to use your judgment. At times your judgment may be wrong. That's part of being mortal. But you must be judgmental for your own security and your own protection. You must be judgmental. That's why you have a brain. Use it. Look, I'll relate a story. This will probably help you out for both men and women, although I think this is probably more for women than men, but it doesn't matter. In the mid-1970s, I was employed by Fluor Corporation. They were part of the contractors building the Trans-Alaska Pipeline project that was taking oil from Prudhoe Bay all the way down to Valdez Terminal. I was a project cost engineer at pump station number 12. That was an experience. Learned a lot, though. The pump station number 12 was the last pump station before it pumped the oil over the mountains to Valdez Terminal. But before I went into the field, and all of us, we had to go through an orientation meeting. And I never forgot this part of the orientation meeting. We talked about dress, how to stay warm, and all that stuff. That was pretty basic. But I remember the instructor getting up in class and saying, be careful of animals that are these are wild animals, that are overtly friendly to you. He was talking mostly about coyotes and wolves, not about bears and all that. Well, that could be in there too, but mostly coyotes and wolves. He said, be careful of these animals that are overly friendly to you. He said, there's a high probability they're rabid. And what's true of these animals, I hate to use this comparison, but it could be true. Be careful of people who come across, these would be like strangers, who come across extremely friendly to the point where it's gushing, it's cloying, it might be even repulsive, it doesn't seem natural. They could be rabid. There's something wrong there. You see, a healthy animal in the wilderness is distrustful of humans and will try to keep its distance. Same thing with people. Strangers, when they meet, should be a little suspicious. Be friendly, but keep your distance at first. Be judgmental. Like I said at the beginning of this video, there's people out there that want to take advantage of you. Be distrustful, whether they take advantage of you emotionally, physically, or financially. There's people out there. You've got to be distrustful. In one of my videos, I think in one of my videos, I talked about how you should view. I'm not going to get any plaudits for this about what I'm going to say now. Like, a lot of financial salesmen are probably not going to like me, but I really don't care. This is how you view financial salesmen, and then I'll end the video. I think I have a video on this. I have a lot of videos now, so I don't know all of them. It's how to view financial salesmen. I said you should view them as used car salesmen in fancy suits. Used car salesmen in fancy suits. That's how you should view them. So be judgmental. Anyways, I'm going to end this. I don't care for long videos. Appreciate if you could pass this video on to other people. And, as always, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Until we meet again, may you prosper and keep your money green. Take care, folks. I'll see you again. Bye now.